Welcome home, friend. This stunning Cape Cod style home just hit the market in the resort style living community of Savannah. This cozy home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and over 1,500 square feet of living space. This 1-story floor plan features an extra large living room that leads into a dining space and your newly renovated kitchen. The kitchen comes equipped with freshly painted cabinets, a modern white backsplash, and new counters. This move-in ready home also boasts new light fixtures and fans, so you'll just need to move in your personal items and enjoy. During the summer, entertain in style by the various community amenities or relax in the adult-only pool. This home also comes equipped with a large wraparound porch and swing. It's the perfect house to call home. Located with easy access to main roads and shopping, this home is located in the highly coveted Denton ISD. This home is zoned for Savannah Elementary School, Navo Middle School, and Braswell High School. It won't last long, so call us today to schedule an appointment to come see this fabulous home brought to you by Ludwin Group.